Azure Active Directory is the next evolution of identity and access management solutions for the cloud. It provides organizations with an identity as a service solution for all their apps across cloud and on-premises. Azure AD enables you to access external resources, such as Microsoft 365, the Azure portal, and thousands of other SaaS applications. Azure Active Directory also helps to access internal resources like apps on your corporate intranet, and any cloud apps developed for your own organization. However, it was not designed with an intention to replace Active Directory completely. If you subscribe to any Microsoft Online Business Service, you automatically get access to Azure AD free. To enhance your Azure AD implementation, you can also add paid features by upgrading to Azure Active Directory Premium P1 or Premium P2 licenses. Azure AD paid licenses are built on top of your existing free directory. The licenses provide self-service, enhanced monitoring, security reporting, and secure access for your mobile users. We are now an AAD page. You can create new internal and guest or external users from users. When you invite guest users, they will get a link that they need to accept. For internal user, provide name, choose required domain from drop-down to create UPN and provide friendly username as well. You can add user to group while creating it if group exists and assign required AAD role to user. Block sign-in is used if you want to keep user profile ready but not activate it yet. You can specify user location from which they are allowed to log in. You can add optional details like job title, department as well. In per-user MFA, you can set MFA options for all users in bulk or at one time. In sign-in logs, you can see IP address location of interactive users, while for non-interactive ones you can see resource name and ID. Deleted users will be kept for 30 days, and you can restore deleted users by then. You can avail users with option to self-reset their password if you have premium AAD license. In user settings, you can permit some additional settings for users like whether they are allowed to register any application if required. Restrict them from creating additional tenants, whether AAD portal should be visible to them or they can attach their LinkedIn account or not. In groups, you can create new security group to access resources or O365 group for collaboration like SharePoint sites. Provide group name, description, type can be assigned if you manually want to add users to it or dynamic, which is grayed out for me as of now due to missing permission. In dynamic type, you can choose rules or conditions which, if matched, that particular type of users will automatically get added to the group. For example, you can specify that all group with HR job title should be added to this group. You can add group owners as well. Like user, you can restore deleted groups as well for 30 days. You can specify restrict users from creating specific group type from settings. Add expiration policy where group owners can be notified before groups actually expires. You can restrict group naming policy as well by passing list of blocked words. External identities is a set of capabilities that enabled organizations to secure and manage any external user, including customers and partners beyond your organizational boundaries. Building on the B2B collaboration capabilities in Azure Active Directory, external identities supports additional ways to interact and connect with users outside of your organization. Devices can be joined or registered from devices. App registration, like name suggests, is used when you want to restrict access to your application from specific AAD tenants. Identity governance is used for audit purpose. Application proxy is used when you want AAD identities to access on-prem applications. AD Connect is used to sync on-prem users or groups to AAD. Admins can reset passwords for users from password reset. You can add required custom domain if you want, copy the TXT details that will be used later. Note that domain should actually be registered with Domain Registrar before verifying it. We will discuss about monitoring and security options in another video.